What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I've been, studying my ass off, and hopefully going to get a little bit of sun today, take a break from studying. But I'm going to be buying more QYLD, RYLD, XYLD, JEPI, and DIVO. I'm going to show you some changes to my dividend portfolio that I made. I'm going to do a quick dividend stock analysis on all of those after I show you some of my changes I made to my portfolio. And these are really good covered call ETFs. These are excellent ETFs to get to earn passive income and to get those monthly dividends in, because I have a goal, honestly, to if you guys are new to my channel, I have a goal to earn $1,000 to $3,000 a month my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month my quarterly dividends. And having a fractional share dividend portfolio in M1 Finance, I can really strategize with these covered call ETFs how to buy these quarterly dividend stocks, and these quarterly dividend stocks buying these monthly dividend stocks like QYLD, RYLD, XYLD, JEPI, and DIVO. So let's check out my strategy. And again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you smash that like button. All these videos are free to you guys. Let's check this out. So here we are with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I have earned $866.59. I'm hoping by the end of the year, I earn about $1,000 in earned dividends, which obviously will be reinvested. And by the way, if you're interested, I will post my affiliate link. This will help you get $50. So there's a deal with a special with M1 Finance. Just click that link if you're interested in having a fractional share dividend portfolio. So what I've done, I've made some changes. And before, with my monthly dividend ETFs, I used to have JEPI here. I did add my covered call ETNs. I saw some strategies that some people made, and I'm just waiting for my coffee to kick in, by the way, with SLVO and some of these covered call ETNs. So I added those there. Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund. Watch the expense ratio on there, but you get a nice 19 cents. It's right around $19 or so. So I've earned $4.63 in dividends. NUSI is a really good one. I like this one. It's a risk managed income ETF. I will show you the dividend history. It's a 7.29% dividend yield. Expense ratio of 0.68%. That's not bad. We got DIVO. The enhanced dividend income and expense ratio is 0.49%. The dividend yield is 4.76%. So it's pretty attractive. And of course, one of my favorite monthly dividend stocks, Abbvie Realty Corporation. My gosh, this one is like the dividend growth rate on this. And again, the board of directors made a call with Abbvie Realty Corporation that we're going to be a monthly dividend stock. And honestly, that put these guys on the map. I never even heard of these guys until that. But let me show you what I did with JEPI. So I added JEPI right here to 2%. I'll probably get that a little bit higher. It yields a 7.47% dividend yield. It's right around $61.26. So once you see the dividend history in JEPI, you're going to be like, I like this. It's very nice. It's consistent. It's actually a really good percent dividend yield. And I just like the way it distributes its dividends over time, and it's pretty consistent. I got XYLD at 4%. I have 12.78 shares. I need to get a lot more, obviously. RYLD, I'm right at 27.89. Once I get to 100 on these, because XYLD, RYLD, and QYLD, they all distribute their dividends like right at the same time for my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and it's great. So if I can earn, just imagine if I just earned $100 from these guys individually, and then $300 basically each month being pumped back into this dividend portfolio. I'll show you what I mean with this dividend stock analysis real quick with QYLD, RYLD, XYLD, JEPI, and DIVO. So let's check this out with their dividend history. So just looking at QYLD, I mean, it's a high dividend yield, but it uses covered calls. I don't have time to do covered calls. I mean, myself being a registered nurse, what am I going to do if my patient's in respiratory distress? Oh, maybe sell my covered call? No, I'm going to be busy at work seeing my patients and doing my thing, or I'm going to be studying my butt off because I'm in graduate school. So I don't have time to do that. I know it's a big risk. I know a lot of people make covered call uh, cash really well, but look at this consistency. This is ranging from 17 cents to 23 cents, 19 cents, 22 cents. You're getting a good bang for your buck. It's 10.34% dividend yield as of um, Nasdaq's updates. Again, bear with me. I need the coffee to kick in. Um, so it's $22.39. Getting a consistent dividend. It's just going. It's not a scatter bomb, which is good, and it's not gonna beat the S&P. It's basically it's pretty stagnant. It's in a straight line. It's don't expect it to grow and exponentially be like $30 $35 and start beating the S&P. That's not what it's going to do. It's a covered call ETF. It's a income ETF. So let's jump to the next one. So XYLD is a little bit pricier, but look at this. Look at this. What you're getting out of XYLD. It's consistent right around 30s and 40s, and it's $48.82. So you're getting a consistent dividend that is basically following the S&P. It's a covered call ETF, XYLD, and it's $48.82. Again, this one's not going to beat the S&P, so don't expect it to increase in price per share and blow up. It's going to be right around this range in the 40s. Maybe it'll crack 50, but don't expect it to be 60. So again, these are for income. So this is why I'm buying these type of covered call ETFs, because they're just increasing. They'll increase, they'll decrease. They're just consistent within, let's just say, a range of 35 cents to 46 cents, just to give a normal range. Let's jump to the next one. So RYLD is another covered call ETF. Now this one is it's a consistent dividend stock. And again, this one was new. I am so glad. I honestly sent an email to M1 Finance. I'm like, can you get this on here? And I'm telling you the truth. They put this on within a day. And this was phenomenal for people who are M1 Finance investors that love income ETFs, because look at this. You're getting, see, 22, let's just say 17 cents to about 22. Let's just say 17 to 22 cents with it right now being 24.89. Again, this one, don't expect it to beat the S&P, don't expect it to blow up and be $40. It's a covered call ETF, all for monthly dividends. It's all for dividend income. Let's jump to the next one. Now, DIVO is one of the cheaper ones. Well, I wouldn't say cheap. DIVO is one of them that you'll get maybe around. I got to have one that's a little bit more laid back. And DIVO is one that you'll get right around 10 cents to maybe 15 cents. It's $36.19. So that one, I'm considering putting the percentage a little bit lower so that I can focus on my other ETFs. But this one, it's a good backup. You got to have a little bit of conservatism with this. I know I'm very aggressive, but DIVO's one that I'm just putting right around a certain percentage in my income. Again, these dividends stocks distribute dividends at a certain time, so this one's going to help me in the long run. Again, it's not going to jump up too fast. It's a good, you'll get a good bang for your buck, and it's just not on the higher dividend yield side. So, I'm just keeping a close eye on it and just putting some money in, getting some cash flow with it, and then buying my other dividend stocks with it. So JEPI is one of my favorite ETFs that distribute dividends. This one, you get a good bang for your buck at $61.26. So I put it more on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio side and the main side because, my gosh, you get a nice return. You get good dividends from this. And it's a new kid on the block, but it's very consistent. And you're getting from sometimes right around, let's just say, to be on the safe side, 30 cents to about 40, let's say about 42 cents. And this is $61.26. So this is one it's a good income ETF. Now, don't expect this to beat the S&P. None of these will beat the S&P, but they're nice, slow, consistent, and they have good dividends, monthly dividends for you if you are a dividend investor. And I just like this dividend stock. It's just very, it just has a profound feeling when I have it. And I know it's good dividend income. It's consistent dividend income. And this is what I added to my arsenal. So let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a good one. Have a good Sunday. Be safe. I'll probably post a video on Tuesday. So stay tuned. And again, if you were new, smash that like button, hit that subscription, and let's have some fun. Let's make some money on Monday.